So I had a patient when she came in for a well woman exam, a pap smear. And when I go into the room, I introduced myself and I noticed that she's acting nervous, she acting anxious and like teary-eyed. And so I'm like, oh wait, is this your first time? Because I take a totally different approach to my patients if this is their first time getting a pap smear, because I really educate them about the pap smear. I'll go through the process about the speculum. I demonstrate to them what is speculum before I actually insert the speculum into, their private area. So I looked and saw that she had a previous pap smear. So I'm like, well, why is she acting so nervous? Like, this is her first time. And why is she teary-eyed? So something is not right. So I looked to her and I said, did something happen to you before? Like some trauma, some assault, something? And she said, yes. And she just broke down crying. And I just broke out crying. So it was like each visit triggers her to when she was assaulted, actually when she was a little girl. Just think about it. You're laying here on the table with your legs open. You at that vulnerable state. And yes, I get patients that come in for a well woman exam, no history of trauma in the past. And it's still like, oh, I hate this. I hate this part of my annual exam. And I understand that. So my thing is this. Get you a provider that, if you experienced this type of trauma in the past, I encourage you to get you a provider that you can trust. Someone that's going to be gentle and not just walk in and do your exam and not, questions. And I look at the clues or the cues or the signs that you have that I'm very nervous about this. Also, I want to encourage you to seek therapy just for your mental health. Not saying that each time that you come to, your well woman exam or a gynecologist visit that it won't trigger you to that past event, but it may make the visit a little bit easier over time. So yes, visiting a gynecologist after traumatic events such as sexual assault or molestation can be very triggering to women. And just know that my heart and my thoughts always with y'all, always.